Hello guys, welcome back to Analytical Guy. In this video, we will continue our cricket analytics, and in this video, we will talk about RANKX in the DAX queries. So how to use RANKX, how to apply the ranking on any particular case. For example, here we have various teams and I have to rank them on the basis of their percentage. So we have PCT values. So highest is for South Africa with 63.33. Second highest is Australia with 58.89 and India is third with 55.88%. So how we can get the rank on the basis of PCT, we will talk about this in this video. So first of all, for this, I'll go to the three dots in the measures and I click on new measure. I'll say, let's say new rank and equal to, here I have to apply a formula. DAX function, you can say, is rank X. So what this will do is it returns the rank of an expression evaluated in the current context in the list of the values of the expression evaluated for each row in the specified table. So first parameter that it expects is the table. So what will be my table? So the biggest problem is generally we say the tables, or we can say the countries are in the country underscore info table. So this is my table, right? Now, let me just do some indentation. Now, the second parameter here, if I go back here, say comma, second parameter is expression. So my expression is the formula that I created for the percentages, that is PCT. Let's assume you already have this measure. I'll give you the formula for PCT as well, but let's assume you already have this. Then this is my expression. Now the third part is the value. So value is optional. So if you want to value like have a tie break as well, so you can add that value, but in my case I'll keep it blank, so I'll say blank. And now the fourth part is order. So is it ascending or descending? So I want descending, right? Because highest percentage should have the lowest rank, that is 1. So highest percentage means rank number 1. So I'm saying descending. And now the last is ties. So we have dense or skip. So we will use dense ranking so that ranks doesn't skip if there are ties, right? So I'll say dense and then bracket closed. And now if we commit this and add the new rank in here, so we will see it is not correct. So now you can see here, my new rank is 1 for all. If we see here, we have given the correct table name, then we have given the correct value, then we have given the correct order, and then dense or sparse, that's also fine. So what is the issue? Issue here is about the context. So here, the filter has been applied on the country info. So if we see here, go back here, for the first row, South Africa, the filter is already applied and it is just for South Africa. So it will give me rank 1. Then it goes to the row 2. The filter is for Australia only. The rank will always be 1. So it will give me the rank 1 for all the countries, irrespective of their actual rank. What is the issue? Because it is filtering everything, or you can say filter for particular row, but I want it to filter for all, so I'll say give it all. So once you apply all function here and press commit, you will see the context of the filter has been changed, and this will give me the correct filter. So now you can see the new rank: South Africa is 1, Australia 2, India 3, New Zealand 4, so on and so forth. It is actually perfect. Now if I sort this on the basis of win percentage, you can see the rank 2 is Australia, it is coming on top, but this ranking will remain like this because this ranking is on the basis of PCT, which is my percentages, right? So this is how you can use the ranking RANKX DAX function to get the ranking of the countries. Alright guys, so this was it for this particular video. In next videos, we will talk about how to calculate total wins, then total losses. If I go here and the formula for total underscore wins is like this, similar to what we did for games played. but there are so many other things which we have to work on it, like how to get the total winners, and then how to calculate the draws and ties, all those things. And then we'll talk about the formula for the point system and then percentage. We'll talk about that in the next video. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you really like these concepts, please do subscribe if you have not already, and please share across with your friends and colleagues if this is useful. Thanks a lot for watching.